Okay, guys, so you're not going to believe this, but I did it again. I just recorded a whole 10-minute video and didn't hit fucking record. So, here we go. Take number 2. Obviously, I can't do the unboxing for you guys again, but I'm going to go through it one more time in reverse order because I did it a certain way last time. So, this is the Kids of Immigrant Nike Sundr in the Sundial orange colorway. There is 2 of these. The other one's purple. A little history on Kids of Immigrants. It's a streetwear lifestyle brand that was started by 2 individuals in 2016. This is their second footwear collab. They do primarily clothes, but their second footwear collab. Their first one being a Vans collaboration. Excuse the way I look. I just came from playing basketball. I'll get to that in a minute. But let's go over the shoe real quick. So we got the Kids of and the Kids of Immigrants on the bottom of the shoe. They went away from this paneling on the side here on the regular Nike Sundr and went for a web, almost a Spider-Man. Shout out Toby. This, off the rip, this reminds me of the Voltage Purple and the Sunset, Air Max Plus, or the TNs as they like to call them. Just the gradient colorways with an ACG-esque bottom. Sundr is definitely a slept-on shoe silhouette this year. I'm glad we're getting more colors next year. I hope they don't overdo it, but I am a fan of that Obsidian Hospital Blue colorway. I do want both of the Gore-Tex, all three of the Gore-Tex. I don't think the purple one's out, but I do want all 3 of the Gore-Tex. I'm obviously going to have to go and get this purple one now that I have this one in hand, because these are honestly, obviously I put these on my honorable mention for sneaker of the year, just to Sundr in general, but this shoe, as the packet came in, could definitely make an argument for top 5 sneakers of the year. Super underrated by some, overhyped by many, just because a lot of people tend to hinge on the fact that it's a collab. I try not to look at that too much. These weren't honestly super accessible. Nike did a sneakers release last week for these on sneakers, and then Sneaker Politics also did a release for the orange ones, but the purple ones have not been made available, so I think the only place you could get the purple ones is maybe Complex Con, or if you know somebody. Correct me if I'm wrong down below, please. So we do have the Kids of Immigrants logo on the back, that K where the air is. These, honestly, not too much different. Obviously, just the paneling is the super, noticeable difference. We do have a set of oval laces instead of the flat laces here. I don't know why they went with royal and orange spotted, instead of maybe the purple. But maybe when I get the other pair in hand, I'll know why. All right, let's look at the box. So super cool box. Kids of Immigrant design on the front. Kids of Immigrants on that side, and then the logo on the back. But yeah, these are, and you should know this from my Cortez video, these are one of my favorite style boxes. Super aesthetic. I just love having these in my collection. All right, I know I'm doing this twice, so I forgot to show these parts. So we do have a phone card here. Our gift is our culture. World Max Connect International Phone Card. Free 99. Together. Kids of Immigrants to connect. Text 1-323-310-3062. Where connection doesn't cost a thing. Then we got a Kids of Immigrants sticker here. Like this green color. Okay. Alright. Next. I hate that I have to rant about this twice, but honestly, I'll do it. So, the Anthony Edwards one, I did hoop in these today. And this is the second time I've done this today. I took a video of me playing basketball in these, and I get back to my phone, no video recording. So, shout out me. This is Spencer with the Soul Sandy Sneaker Podcast. 1/3 of the Soul Sandy Sneaker Podcast, by the way. I know I didn't say that at the beginning, but I was pissed off. First things first. The good parts. Traction, A+. Exterior, aesthetic, A+. Outside of that, nothing. You got nothing. They're heavy. They're uncomfortable on the toe. Not unbearable, but uncomfortable. And these shoes came unlaced in a 2-game stretch at least 8 times. I had to stop and tie my shoe during the game at least 8 times. To the point where in the 3rd game, I switched shoes, and it's like I became like Mike. I was a different hooper after the 3rd game. Legitimately, probably won't ever play these again, but I will get a fit off in them. You know, they're worth that. They do, like I said, they do the job aesthetically. They look really good. Maybe I'll wear them there and like warm up in them or something. But this is not, for my feet, a performance basketball shoe. Good shoe, not sneaker of the year. Shout out Jeremiah, definitely good shoe though. Just not like, shout out Angel and Max if you're watching this. They can tell you I was a different player once I changed shoes. Like, this is definitely like L basketball shoe. Good shoe, just L basketball shoe. Yeah, traction good, super heavy. I mean, maybe for a big man, I don't know. The ankle, I like the sock. They're very hard to get on. Maybe I need to go a size up, but I think they'd be too big, honestly. Probably start tripping on them. I didn't roll my ankle or anything, but did hoop a lot better once I switched into the Sabrinas. So shout out Sabrina. Yeah, that's all I got for my second take of the Kids of Immigrants New Year's unboxing and the Anthony Edwards rant. Y'all take it easy. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see y'all next time. Let me know what I can do to make these videos better for y'all. Happy New Year.